In the previous video, we saw how ChatGPT can be used and be more productive. Have you thought of what will happen if everybody uses these AI tools to create content? Well, first, it would have some positive effects. For example, it could save time and energy for people who are not confident in their writing skills or simply don't have enough time to write. However, on the other hand, it could negatively impact the quality of the content. ChatGPT can only generate content based on the data it's been trained on. So if everyone is using the same tool, there's a chance that the content might sound similar. There are concerns about the ethics of using AI-generated content for commercial purposes. Now, you might be wondering if Google approves of the content generated by ChatGPT. According to their guidelines, AI-generated content is not allowed. Google's algorithms are designed to identify and prioritize original, high-quality content created by real people, not machines. Some institutions, such as universities and schools, have banned the use of AI-generated tools for academic writing purposes. They recognize the importance of creativity, critical thinking, and individual expression in learning, and believe that AI-generated content may hinder the development of these skills. If you are worried about your content, here is one of the popular AI detector tools by Copyleaks. It can identify the text generated by AI. For the demo, I will paste the script I wrote for this video and check the results. It has an 85.8% probability of human text. Now, let's copy the news article summarized by ChatGPT and paste it here. It says correctly is AI content detected in this text, and has a 99.9% probability of AI. This tool is released in the beta version, meaning they are still in the testing phase. I will share the link in the description, so you can test it out by yourself. Let us know in the comments on how well it detects the text written by ChatGPT or another AI text generator. Now to conclude, while there is no doubt that ChatGPT can be a useful tool in aiding content creation, it's important to remember that it should never fully replace human creativity and originality. AI as a tool is meant to enhance our work, not replace it. We hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.